My friends, ang buhay pag-aasawa ay pagbibigay ng buong sarili.
Elma, I give you this ring. Wear it as a sign of my love and loyalty as your husband in all the years to come. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
A kiss, a cry, our rights, our wrongs, a moment of love, a dream, a lie, a moment of love, a dream, a lie. Just stay there. Stop me coming over. While our blood's still young, so young, you rise. Won't stop till it's over. Won't stop till
Baby, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Elma, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your husband?